Hey boys and girls, Miss Barrow here, reviewing our reading and writing numbers 6, 7, and 8 today in math. Let's take a look at our screen. Oh, here we are composing a problem. I've got 2 blue cars and 4 green trucks. How many do I have all together? 2 blue cars, 4 green trucks. We're going to count them all together. That's right. 2 cars and 4 trucks are 6 all together. How many are in each tens frame? Show me with your fingers. That's right. There's 3. How many are in our tens frame? Show me with your fingers. That's right. There's 4. How many are in my tens frame? Show me with your fingers. Great job. There's 8, 4 on each hand. Let's take a look at this picture. How many clouds do we see? 6 clouds. How many people and dogs? Great job. You counted 5. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. There are 8 butterflies. Go ahead and take out your writing boards. And I want you to practice the numbers 6, 7, and 8. Remember, when you're writing 6, 7, and 8, you are starting at the skyline to work all of your numbers. For the number 6, you make a C like Clever Cat and tuck it in. Way to go. For the number 7, we slide to the right and slant it down. And for the number 8, we make an S. Oh, no. Let's try that again. For the number 8, we make an S and close the gate. That's how we make the number 8. I hope you guys have a great day. Practice writing your numbers 6, 7, and 8. We'll see you soon.